Are you thinking about having a baby? Well, stop and listen. There is more to it than just stopping your birth control. I'm Dr. Erica R. Jones, MD, and I'm a board certified family medicine physician who's here to let you know the number one thing that you need to do if you are thinking about getting pregnant. If you're even thinking about getting pregnant, you need to learn about the prenatal vitamins. Start taking a prenatal vitamin. When you start taking these, you are going to realize that you're supplementing your nutrients. These prenatal vitamins, in particular, are full of folic acid, DHA, and iron. So on the package, it says that it's a complete multivitamin for before, during, and after pregnancy. So everyone has different types of prenatal vitamins that they prefer. Some people don't like taking big pills, so they get the gummies. So I'm going to take these out of the package and just make sure that your prenatal vitamin are going to have folic acid in it to help with your baby's brain health, your spinal cord. So I'm going to show you how big these pills are. Some people can't do it, others can. But as far as the prenatal vitamins are concerned, you want to make sure that you have an appropriate amount of folic acid in here. So let's see. How much folic acid? Oh, y'all. So this has 800 micrograms of folic acid in it. This is some real small writing. It's actually easier to see on the box. So it's 800 micrograms of folic acid. That's what you're going to go for. Sometimes you'll see different literature. It says like between 400 and 800. Of course, you want to go for the 800. Let me show y'all how big this pill is. Boom. Look at how big it is. And you can use my glasses as comparison. So if you look at how big this pad is here on my glasses, yeah, it's bigger than that. This is like a horse pill. So just imagine yourself being able to swallow this. And if you cannot swallow it, just know that there are gummies and other preparations that are available for you. The main thing you want to do is find the prenatal vitamin that is right for you when you start thinking about pregnancy. There's a lot to it. Some people can't tolerate certain prenatal vitamins. You just really have to figure out what works best for your body. So this one right here is the one a day prenatal one. It also has iron in it, which some of them don't have. So you just have to figure out what is going to be appropriate for your body, what's going to work well with your body. When you are thinking about getting pregnant, you have to start taking a prenatal vitamin every day. That's going to prepare your body, and that's going to make sure that you have the proper nutrients that's going to help build your baby's system. I'm talking about your central nervous system, the baby's brain, spinal cord. So you want to make sure that you have all the nutrients and you're doing all the right things. That's the first thing you should do is find a prenatal vitamin that works for you. It's Dr. Erica R. Jones, MD. If you have not seen my other videos on fertility, my other videos on women's health, make sure you click that button, like this, share it with someone who needs the information.